The answer is that we just need to place this function inside of our app function. That is in fact allowed in the correct thing that we need to do. So we first have this is connected, set is connected, and then we copy paste our function in. And now this should be good. And there is still like one little issue that we'll have. Oops, so I need to go ahead and delete my old one where I just did this as testing, and then rename this. Okay, and then if we jump over to Firefox and we go to localhost 3000 and click on connect wallet, then we get an error and saying on-click listener was expecting a function, got a value of string type. And so this is unfortunately because our JavaScript React code works a little bit differently than our HTML. So if we jump back to Visual Studio Code, this is because in our button, for this on-click, it doesn't actually want a string, whereas we did have a string. And I think that this was lowercase for regular HTML. So it wants a JavaScript function. And the way that we tell, we inject some JavaScript code, we have these curly braces, kind of like we had before. If it's not inside the curly braces, then it interprets it as HTML or this React-like HTML. Interesting. So that was like a little aggressive. But that's because of the auto refresh, I guess. I don't remember clicking the button though. Oh, okay, that's because, so if you include the parentheses, then it runs it as soon as it notices this, which we don't want. So that's better. Yeah, that was during my test, thank you. So let's refresh, connect wallet. It did connect. You probably need to actually log into MetaMask potentially and click accept to add it to the sites. And then voila, the connect wallet button disappeared after we connected. And if we refresh, then we can connect again, and again it disappears. All right, so in the next part, we're going to talk about actually adding another like little form where the user can specify how much they want to donate to the contract, and then click a button, and then that'll trigger a transaction where they send ETH to the contract and trigger that receive event. So we'll talk about that next time.